Hello and welcome guys. In this video, I'm gonna to show you how to check Microsoft Word version. So it's a very basic video to learn Microsoft Word and you want to check version of your Microsoft Word. So very simple and basic way, just click on File. Now here in this list, you have to click on Account. Now guys, here you will see your product version. In my case, it's Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013. It can be different in your case. It can be 2010, 7 or 16 or latest one. Professional Home or Plus one. So this is the way you can check version for your Microsoft Office product. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so hit like button and subscribe this channel.